Hello guys, it's me, Joanna in China. Charis, may paganon pa eh, no? Anyway, Charis. Andito kami ngayon sa Wajang. May inaayos yung asama ko na papel. Pero mamaya pupunta kami dun sa Gaodzai. Paano ba sabihin? Gaodzai. Basta yun na yun. Sa pinakang hometown ng asawa ko kasi bakasyon. So nagplano kami na matutulog dun sa bahay na minana niya. may mayaman, may minana. Basta yung dun sa doon na pala siya. Saan daw may? Finish na? Ha? Pahinga daw muna. Sa biyahe kasi kami. Tapos may pahingahan palang galing. Lakad-lakad lang. Siguro may doon. Overlooking. Oversight. Basta yun na yun. Ganito lang. Ganito lang siya. Tapos may mga tao doon. May mga tao. Kasama yun. Can look in na? Doon ka pupunta mamaya. Kita pala siya kung wala sana yung ito mga bamboo. Ito parang basta. Bila! Ikot. Umikot sa baba. Parang iba. Balik na pala. Wala malang pasabi. Ewan ko talaga din sa taong to Basta maglakad-lakad lang siya. Iwanan ako. Ewan ko sa'yo. Kala ko magpapahinga. Itingnan lang pala. Diyos ko naman. Charis. Pero ang ganda dun. Anong ganda? Balik na naman. Biyahe ulit. Parang wala sabi-sabi. Babalik na pala. Kala ko mag-i-stay doon. What are you doing? But I was thinking we will stay in there kasi. Why go back so fast na? You said you need to rest.
What's this to do na? Can't look at anything.
Can't look at anything. Just sit in there. Parang I wanted to Just sit in there, then smoking.
Finish na. Mahal naman.
What? Seatbelt. So if you're looking in there, you will stay so long time na. Can look looking something in there, you will stay there.
Here can looking more naman talaga.
Hmm?
In here can looking more.
Hindi. Oh, my camera cannot looking. So, oh, what happened? Why is so blurred? Ayun. Ayun sana building. Cannot looking naman. Wajah. May bibilin daw siya. Ako sunod-sunod lang. Maliki lang. Taga-bit-bit. Baliktad, di dapat siya yung taga-bit-bit eh. Saka yung bili ng bili. Charis. Kala mo talaga nakakaintindi din. Di marunong makipag-usap sa tindera. Kaya taga-bit-bit na lang ako. Ang ganda ng mga prutas, oh. Kain kami noodles. Why you so slowly now? Who's in there? Is it number?
My friend's girlfriend. You know, he saved me the age. You know, he's the son's how many years old already?
How many?
17. Yeah.
17?
He near the 15. Have baby already.
Uy, so early naman. Why so early naman? But they are married already. They are married already. Ha?
With another man who have them.
Oh, it's not your friend, the baby.
If he's the baby, his daddy will smell too much.
Why na? Why smell too much?
He's so young. He's the grandpa already. Now you're looking. He's so no happy. So now keep the baby.
How about your friend? No, her baby na?
Huh?
No, her baby?
No,
Why they don't make na? Why they don't make na?
you ask them.
Why you can? Why is it can? You went in there? But I look in the bag, the key is not in there talaga. Bina.
Huh?
I look in the bag, the key is not in there talaga.
He's in the room sleeping.
Where is the room? In there, diba?
Huh? Yeah.
So, nabahidon ko daw.
He's in the room sleeping, man.
Mukha mo. Yusuf ka na. Tara. Ewan na naman yun.
나가라 사자. 쩌라.
Why my look in the mountain is so good now. We walk in there by the we walking in there in the mountain. You should have mountain in the you have mountain in there naman. So now we go there na. Egg. Where are you going? You go where? Usang ka lang, smoking niya lang. You go where?
Make the paper. Go where? Go where? Kamu.
You gotta? Wala kang ayan. Go.
Go where? Let's go naman, pa.
Baliw ka. Sira ulo. Parang baliw. Hello guys, it's me, Joanna in China. Charis, may paganon pa eh, no? Anyway, charis. Andito kami ngayon sa Wajang. May inaayos yung asama ko na papel. Pero mamaya pupunta kami dun sa Gaodzai. Paano ba sabihin? Gaodzai. Basta yun na yun. Sa pinakang hometown ng asawa ko kasi bakasyon. So, nagplano kami na matutulog dun sa bahay na minana niya. may mayaman, may minana. Basta yung dun sa andun na pala siya. Saan daw eh? Finish na? Ha?